Vlog Day 1 Jamaica.
It is 6:20 a.m. in the morning. If y'all look, I'm still packing. I know I'm gonna reach now that I have a flight. Watch ya. Now a flight, got go board 9:20 or something like that. So grab a shower, get ready. This is first vlog Miss chest out right now, dog. I think for beard and then come done pack or pack and then come beard. I'm gonna know if I'm over here, so I think about that too. We'll get there. Alright, so I couldn't get to finish vlog up on Zip Master. I'm late, dog. It's 7:33 now. I gotta be at the airport by fucking 8. I don't know. We gotta finish here. I think I have one more thing to put in this fucking suitcase. But yeah, let's go. Goddamn elevator, boy. Dog, this is about 50 pounds. I'm overweight the fuck. I'm overweight and I'm late for check in my back. But we're gonna get it done. Alright, here goes sister. I know she's annoyed right now. She's sleeping, but we have to do a lot of vlogging. She knows how it goes. I'm trying to get the next phone so I can get fucking content. So them can't show us sitting come. What you sitting put in your face? They can't show us sitting come, so you try to put in a suitcase. Come. Alright, so we are load up now. We are load up. Lord Clad. That was hard. Come on, Jamaica. Oh, she have fear thing push out, man. I'm my mom on the phone talking about overweight and all this. Oh, you have a nice little roof. Oh, this is a tall bedroom. I'm video vlogging and I'm on my way to Jamaica. And the Range Rover picked me up and I'm going to the airport. So I'm making content.
No, Mama, that's far.
While I'm making content.
Remember over the
So now this is Jody Lane and Pembroke Road. For all y'all who don't know where we at right now, we at Jody Lane and Pembroke Road. You know my dog live on the street. I'm gonna take that left on Pembroke. It's a beautiful morning in a Range Rover. So if you need a license in foreign, this a license that people are looking at my youth. And a juicy beef, you know? A license this. A license. There's so much people now a license in a foreign.
No, it's not just getting it.
I get license and all and renew but me sure I be a suspended license over there. Some people who don't have license we are fixed right now. So let's get a little sunlight. Forgot I was pulling out my hair. What?
804.
Hey, my sister, is that woman do not drive fast? If I push that shit in the dark.
It just goes faster on its own.
What you say go fast for the own? Pussy! Fast gas, speed up! Alright, we're getting somewhere with the hair. Curly suit. Alright. You ought to know. You about to head the full load there when you get to the 95. And we are on the highway. This is I-95, y'all. Y'all can see beautiful sunshine, sunrise. You know what I mean? Here with a bad driver, Glee! You know, we exit Griffin because it's faster instead of going all the way to motherfucking 595. So we're gonna show y'all how to get to the airport from Griffin side. Alright, so you make the right on Griffin. You can't chat, man, not the wrong. Chat. Live now my life, I vlog. So, you make the right, and you're on Griffin Road right now. This takes you all the way to the airport. You just gotta go to the end of this road, probably like 2 or 3 lights up, and make the left turn. Woo! So I had forgot to finish motherfucker show y'all how to get here, but we here. See, departures and arrivals. We're going departures is up top. Then the bottom is when you come back. So the traffic is crazy. So if you come to Fort Lauderdale, make sure you early and on time. Don't do like Chad. So we made it. We're here.
Alright, take care of yourselves.
Allow me to come out yet, but I love you. I see you when you come back.
Alright, love you, come right now.
Alright, so we're out. Alright. Check out the Big hole in suitcase. Ready? Alright, so I did my own bag drop. So I think I get the self-tag now. I think they give you a boarding pass. So I'm in. It's actually a mess right now. It's a long line. And I boarded like 30 fucking minutes now. Well, almost about an hour. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I just paid $125 for overweight luggage. Don't be like me and just overweight every time and spend an unnecessary $125 for no apparent reason. I'm just being a man, dog. That shit fuck up. Anyways, we walk got to Terminal 3 because it's faster from Terminal 3, they say. So let's get over there. Yo, so this is kind of like my first fucking YouTube vlogger or something. So if your accent chip in and chip out, I say go. Oh, and prepare. I have my Crocs and my slippers. I'm jumping off the plane and going right into the river. So welcome to Fort Lauderdale Airport. You know, we up by departures, Terminal 4 if you're flying international. You're bound to see some cool shit. So when you get to Terminal 3, this is faster for Terminal 3, especially when you're going to Jamaica, because it's usually gates F. So I think over there is G. Terminal 4 is G. So let's go behind all these people. Say you should measure your bag, but I never pay for bags because they never check it. Oh. Alright, so now back at Terminal 3. First right here. Let's go. So I guess them usually stop them for like check them bag and size and so forth. You know when you have the camera out, them kind of timid with certain things. But me know if my bag can't fit in there so. And here we go through TSA. Make sure you look for the right lines. Right, hold on guys. Alright, so in TSA always listen and comply. So our phones we put down. Alright, so we clear TSA. Gate we're at, we are at gate F8. Right there, F8. Alright, let's go. So we'll get some coffee. Well, not even coffee. Bad man I drink coffee, a tea I drink. And then even have a tea we want just so. We are gonna go rum. Rum right now we'll go. So that's the F8. I'm walking through the airport and I'm traveling. I'm walking through the airport and I'm traveling. I'm traveling and walking through the airport and vlogging. I kind of like when people look at me when I vlog. It's nice. Them two shorties just look at me. Alright, so when you come into Terminal 3, there's this food place right here. Nice cool bar. You could drink, have coffee, whatever. They got breakfast, fruits. It's really cool. This is a small terminal right here. Alright, so I'm gonna show you something really quick. But basically they're at the end, see? But in Terminal 3 you don't get food. So I'm gonna show you where to get food when you come to Terminal 3. So here's another little bar. And this is close to F8, so you're almost at the end anyways. You can grab chips, drinks, and all kind of things from over here. Alright, some of the right, that's all. As you can see, the niggas are over. These niggas ain't finna check no bag to see if you paid for no fucking carry-on and all that. But see what crew we are. Yeah, so we're there. The plane is here. I'm sure no if we get food, no. That was great content. You see shit in the airport. right, so basically this is where we came through to go to F8. But what you gonna do